This isn't a weekend truck. It works, it tows, it carries real weight every day. And when you push a truck like this, the factory suspension starts to show its limits well before reaching max capacity. Even with our heavy-duty kit, there comes a point where you need more. That's why we built Mega Duty. Built for heavier loads and more demanding use, with a 30% stronger support than our heavy-duty kit. So it delivers more support when it matters most. No air, no maintenance, no constant adjustments. But this isn't just something you feel behind the wheel. It's something we've proven in independent testing. At max payload capacity on a Chevy 3500, Mega Duty reduced rear end squat by up to 2 inches, while also reducing suspension movement and vibration, and decreasing suspension fatigue by over 5 times, even improving stopping performance under load. So when the load gets heavy, the roads get rough, and the job doesn't slow down, your truck stays planted, controlled, predictable. Because the heavier it works, the more Mega Duty works. RoadActive Suspension. Mega Duty.